All right, fellow Bitcoin holders, how you doing? Crazy 24-hour period, right? We saw Bitcoin drop to 104. I was able to buy some more and wasn't able to catch that dip perfectly. I bought some at, I think, about 112. No, actually about 110 or so. I missed a lot of the real drama that played out yesterday. I was my son and we're actually in Auburn. We're here to see the Auburn, Georgia football game today. My son is touring the campus, toured it yesterday and thinking about going to Auburn for college. So that's kind of cool. So we're here looking at that. Okay, so just want to talk about kind of what's played out and kind of what I see is going to happen for Bitcoin as we continue to roll through today, tomorrow, and into Monday. Okay, look, we all know what happened yesterday. $19 billion in long positions wiped out, single biggest long liquidation event in history. To put that in perspective, I think FTX was like 1.8 billion. And look at how fast crypto bounced back. Look at how fast Bitcoin bounced back. We didn't see Bitcoin fall to 70, 80,000 or whatever. Man, if it did, I would have been buying a ton. Okay, so I did buy some, but not at those levels because I mean, obviously, if that didn't happen, right? We all know that. We saw Bitcoin bounce to 104, bounce back immediately. I mean, but we saw major altcoins like XRP dropped to $1.50, guys, $1.50, and it's already back up to $2.44. What does that show us? It shows you the strength, the resiliency of the crypto investment community, okay? If you remember the FTX, when that all played out, that just languished and just was like a freaking weight around us for a long time. And look at how fast the market has shaken off what's going on. Now, we know that this was because of the impending possible tariff trade wars between the United States and China. We know what's playing out there. President Trump announced 100% tariffs on China goods effective November 1. Yeah, this is going to get insane. And so now let's talk about the future. Let's talk about maybe what are we going to see play out. Here's what we're going to see play out. Number one, the Dow and the Nasdaq closed down over 800 points each on Friday. Stocks don't trade on Saturday and Sunday. So you're going to have this pent up situation when we roll into Monday. It's going to be interesting to see on Sunday night what the stock futures will say, you know, which will point to how low the stock market will open. But my point to you is that could be another event, right? When we see the stock market open, are we going to have some pullover, some bleed over effect from another bad series of days, trading days for stocks? And will that come over and will that roll into crypto? Possibility, okay? And as we go along with the narrative, the news as it comes out on this now iterative negotiations that will start to play out between the United States and China on these tariffs, and how bad will that be? That's going to spook people. So we might have some more downside here. I've got cash ready to buy more Bitcoin, more major altcoins if we continue to see how that plays out, if that in fact is a thing. Okay. So just again, I want to make a quick video for you guys, kind of give you some my thoughts on what I saw was happening and kind of what do I see is playing out. So we got to really watch towards early next week to see how the markets are going to react and how people are going to react when the stock market opens, and whether that's going to have a pretty negative effect or not on crypto. So before I let you go, if you're interested, I've got something new for you. It's called The Inner Circle. Links are in the description below. It's a private members community for $27 a month. That's 90 cents a day. What do you get for that? If you're interested, links in the description below. You get access to my portfolio. You see everything I own. You're going to get buy and sell alerts anytime I buy or I sell any crypto. You're going to know before anybody else because I don't talk about really what I buy a lot on my channel. So this is where you'll find out what I'm buying and what I'm selling. There's a private investment community. It's a Discord. I'm in there. You can ask me questions, talk to me. The new member system is launched on Patreon. So that's the trusted platform that everybody loves around here on YouTube. So you can trust that platform. It's a great platform. I deliver all the content there and in the private community. Also, what I've started in that Inner Circle is a $100 a week portfolio challenge. And what that is every single week, I'm going to buy $100 a week worth of crypto. Okay. And you can follow along and you can invest too. Why is it $100? Because everybody can afford $100 pretty much a week. And I did that so that everybody can be involved. We're all excited. It's got some cool stuff going on, and I just bought the first 3 crypto this week, so you can get in on the ground floor. So if that's something you're interested in, links are in the description below. Go get that a look, and I will see you, and we'll see how the rest plays out. More videos coming, maybe even from the Auburn campus later today. Later, bye.